This will take a while.
So we're here with Stan. Y'all know him as Sasnak. Behind the scenes at a cooking video. So while he tries to keep his concentration, we're sitting here behind the cameras, watching him, making faces at him, and trying to see just how well he can keep his concentration.
And both you and I shouldn't be too shy by letting go for once. Come and be free with me.
So right here, we're in downtown. Where are we? I don't know where we're at, truthfully. We're in Texas somewhere. This is used to be an old train station right here. And they refurbished it. I guess that's what you call it, refurbished. And now it is a University of Texas. Our chauffeur today is Stan from Sasnak. He's chauffeuring us around. I don't know if you guys have ever had him cook you a meal before, but it's pretty good.
We're going to walk up and check out the Fort Worth Water Gardens. It's supposed to be a really neat thing to see the different fountains and supposedly some statues up here, so let's go check it out. This one the quiet pool. Doesn't it almost make me want to go swimming?
It does, but unfortunately some people have messed that up and now they got to put placards all over it saying, hey idiots, don't swim.
Someone already tried it.
Yeah. So no.
It is though, it's so peaceful down in this one with the water flowing down the walls all around it. It does. You could just kick back and relax and
yeah. I'm surprised they don't have chairs up here, you know, just benches or something.
here though. You can climb down these stairs and get right down into the middle of the fountain. You're surrounded by it. I get a little bit vertigo-y. Uh-oh, I'm getting photobombed.
It was very peaceful down in there. There's a little story behind it. June 6th of 2004. But it's kind of a tragedy that happened, but it was the family died down in there only because the kid, something happened. One of them fell in, and a couple of people, family members, tried to save them, and they drowned too. So, but anyway, it's a very cool place. Very, very peaceful. You get down in there, and it's like, wow, I'm not even in a city. So it was pretty cool.
This is the downtown Stockyards at Fort Worth. Back in the day, like the cattle drive days, this is where all the cowboys would hang out and get drunk and raise all kinds of hell. And then on down the road, we're fixing to go down to it. That's where the cattle would be, stored in corrals and everything, being sorted, ready to go. And cattle drived up to Kansas or someplace to get on the railroad. Believe it or not, most people don't know this, but the cattle drive era only lasted about 5 or 6 years. It didn't last very long because once they realized there was a need to haul product from here up to somewhere else, the railroad put a train line down here, and actually that comes in right down over here. So the cowboy cattle drive era didn't last very long. So, but this is where the cowboys used to hang out. They'd gather cattle, longhorns and stuff out around all over Texas and bring them up here, and this is kind of the gathering point to get ready for the long cattle drive up to Kansas.
Boy, is that trouble right there or what?
Okay, this is where, I don't know if it's every year or once in a blue moon, I don't know. But this street here, they herd cows down here just for cuz, I guess. Violated that, eh, Stan?
burgers and get the boys some food.
Oh no, my ass fits this side just fine.
We've been out here now for a couple of days, staying at Stan's workshop. Y'all know him from YouTube as Sasnak. And yesterday he was kind enough to take us around and see Fort Worth. And we just want to give him a huge thank you for letting us come and stay here. It's been great. And thank you for taking us around. We've had so much fun the last couple of days.
It's very nice to spend time with friends and people you know. We appreciate it very, very much, Stan. We really do.
It's been wonderful. And Pam, thank you too for your hospitality, and we look forward to seeing you again.
Yes.
All right, with that, we are hitting the road on a cloudy, windy day, headed south.
Farther south.
Thank you all so much for watching, and join in next time as our road adventures continue. If you haven't done so already, please hit the thumbs up button, the subscribe button, and of course leave us a comment because we love to hear from you. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.